Hi everyone, we have a good news for you today. Kartosoediro family gathering in Purwokerto, Central Java, Indonesia, is a good news, especially for all the members of the Kartosoediro family.
Kartosoediro family recently gathered in Purwokerto, Central Java, Indonesia, for an informal meeting to discuss important family matters. The meeting was held with utmost respect for tradition and cultural heritage. Each family member participated actively in the discussions, sharing their opinions and ideas to reach mutual agreements. The sense of togetherness and unity was palpable throughout the meeting, reinforcing the strong bond that exists within the Kartosoediro family.
Saya senang bisa mengikuti kegiatan ini. Anak-anakku semuanya rukun, baik, dan saling menghargai. Ini membuatku bahagia.
Teknologi artificial intelligence memungkinkan foto kami menjadi berwarna dan berbicara. Ini luar biasa. Kami bisa berkumpul lagi, dan ini sungguh sangat menyenangkan.
It was a productive and meaningful gathering that further solidified the Kartosoediro familial relationships. And this is the end of the news creative video for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel of Indonesia Bagus.